as I'm currently in my sickbed, I thought I'd just venture into the studio and talk about a microphone that I've been playing with for the last couple of months, actually. Full disclaimer, yes, it was sent to me by Austrian Audio, and yes, they are a sponsor of the Pro Audio Suite. But I saw this microphone, and it's the CC8, which is a small diaphragm kind of pencil mic, I guess you would call it, from them. And I kind of thought, I wonder if that would work with a voice. It looked like it would, but I wasn't 100%. So anyway, they sent it to me, and I've tested it in every situation I could possibly imagine. So it's been in my car when I'm recording in the car. It's been in my main booth. It's been in the tri-booth. It's been in the Porta Booth Pro. In fact, it's probably been elsewhere, but I can't remember where else I would have used it. But anyways, in every single thing I've asked it to do, it's done it really, really well. The sound quality is fantastic. It is sensitive, so you've got to be a little bit careful. And in fact, probably was a good idea to put that on the top, just in case, because the capsule is right on the end. You've got to be a bit careful with plosives. But yeah, it's fantastic. The only thing you will need if you're going to use this with the MicPort Pro and you like to plug straight into the MicPort Pro is one of these little barrels, which is kind of handy. You just click it in there, and then that actually fits into the MicPort Pro directly. Or if you're going to use a mic lead, you don't have to worry, just go straight that way. But yeah, anyway, that is it. The Austrian Audio CC8. Fabulous little microphone. Get one.